So we are right now in Kuala Selangor and we're going to this place. It's called Sky Mirror, but we have to get a boat to get there. So right now we're just at the jetty where we can catch the boat. Are you guys ready to go on the boat? We're gonna go to...
Yeah.
So here they've got us nasi lemak.
Coconut milk rice.
Coconut milk
In
rice.
Malaysia, you must try.
It's an egg with chilies and coconut rice.
Yeah, calamari with the nasi lemak.
Oh, that's good. It's very spicy.
Sprayed out all the water to the ground.
Was that for the toilet?
Yeah. And then the sink was pouring brown water. Yeah, like muddy water at the beginning. It was like brown, and I'm like, I'm not touching that. And then it turned clear. I'm like, okay. I remember McDonald's toilets were horrendous, but this one is worse.
We're gonna go board the boat. That's a wild dog.
He's so cute.
So this is a fishing village. Ah, okay. Let's get your life jackets on, guys.
Be careful.
Okay.
We can go on the boat now. I did it by myself and got on, Mommy.
Good girl. So this is the area, and we're waiting for the tide to go down so we can go there.
It's gonna feel weird.
Why?
I don't know. I've never been like this.
Okay, well let's try it out.
The crabs and go right on my foot.
No.
Am I?
Okay, Abby, go. This is so cool, guys. Yeah. Wow, look at this. Can you believe this? You're in the middle of the sea. It took us half an hour to get here. You're in the middle of the sea and you can walk. So they're saying that the tide's going to go down further and then we're going to be able to see the sand in about 10 minutes time.
I got a baby hermit crab. He's so cute.
There he is.
Is he just a baby?
He's a baby.
Is he not going to come out?
No, he doesn't want to come out.
He's going to stay here for how long?
17 days.
He stays in here for 17 days?
And then on the 18th day, he says, forget it, I'm out of here.
Really?
The one in there? Yep, there's a big one in there. Here, look. He's running.
Let me see it.
But yeah, look at him.
Give me him. Maybe one time.
Every shell has one.
Dada! This is for Hudson. I found it. Daddy, I want that one. Hudson, this is for you. This is for you. Catch him.
There's a crab.
Catch him.
The water level's going down a lot here. It's getting very shallow now. You caught the crab?
Yeah.
They didn't even pinch. I don't feel anything. Mommy, so I can hold it in my hand and it won't even pinch, you know?
This is a
what?
real one.
Here's dinner.
Yeah, dinner.
The water level has gone down so much. Now this is all reflective here. And right now we're in the middle of the ocean. Look how shallow it is.
We found an anemone.
And I'm going to pick
I
it
think
up.
it's an anemone. Yeah, How'd you got one?
I'm going to pick it up.
Yeah, get it?
How do you get it?
Pull it. Don't squish it.
How do
Go
you do
underneath
it?
it.
I'm
Underneath.
going to let the crabs go. I like the
Look at
anemone.
him go.
You want me to get it for you?
We got this guy. This guy's pretty big.
He's going. He's going away.
You gotta get fast. There he is.
So they're creating something here. I don't know exactly what it is. They said you'll see. So I don't know what exactly they're going to do. So you get this little pool here where you can see the reflection. They've created this little area here where you can get nice reflection in the water. And then he goes under here and takes the pictures. Okay, so they put like this little bear here and taking pictures. This is a worm in the middle of the ocean. I don't know what it is.
It is.
Oh yeah, it's got lots of legs here.
Poison?
We don't know.
Don't just
Better
touch
not,
stuff, guys.
better not touch it. Guys, look at this one. Look at the size of this.
Okay.
What's this?
Guys, back to the boat. That was amazing. Going back to the boat now, and then we're gonna continue our adventure for today.
It was an island.
Yeah, it's like an island. But it's a temporary island.
Monkeys there.
Yeah, I saw an otter.
Guys, come for lunch. This is all the seafood that they caught today and they brought it. So there's literally everything inside here. Wow.
Hello.
So we left Kuala Selangor where Sky Mirror was and we've come to Sekinchan. It's about a half an hour drive. We just came to a little market here. They sell dried fish and all sorts of dried stuff. So these are some of the fishing boats. And of course they're here where the treats are. Is that what you want? Okay. Okay, guys, you guys want to go see the wishing tree? Here they have this amazing ritual where you basically buy a ribbon, you write your wish on it, and then you throw it up into the wishing tree. Wow, some people threw their wishes way up there, you see? Okay, we're gonna have a donation. We're gonna get some ribbons.
It's built by donation. Government doesn't subsidize anything.
Okay,
Yeah.
so it's all donation. Okay, so each of you write your wish here.
I know what I'm gonna write.
Yeah.
Don't guess what I'm gonna write. No one guess.
Okay,
A dog. Listen.
that was your wish. You want a dog?
Everybody knows that.
It'll still. Oh. Okay. Did you write your wish?
Yeah.
Yes, you did.
I'm
Okay.
gonna put it on the tree.
You're gonna throw it in the tree. Are you writing yours now?
Wait, yeah.
Okay. Daddy's writing his. We wrote mine here.
I'm ready.
You're ready? Are you guys ready? Okay, go. Oh, go.
Wow.
Oh, did it stay?
Yeah.
Awesome. Good job. There you go.
Maybe it's a higher.
Okay. Wow, Abby, yours is way up. Yay. Okay, Abby, you're gonna throw mine? Okay, try again. I know. Thank you.
There it is.
Yay! Good job, guys. It's raining a lot. Let's go. We made our wishes. Okay, we're gonna go to the rice factory now and check out how they make rice from.
I knew she wished for a cat. I knew it.
She would what?
She wished for a cat.
You did?
It's not a cat.
A white
it's
one?
dog.
So here is the rice factory and it's actually closed today. So we're just checking out the rice paddies. Here they are. So this is rice at different stages. This is the earlier stage and then it kind of goes into that. And that's when they harvest it.
No one said we couldn't take rice, so why can't we?
This is where the rice is. Here,
Wait, I need a pocket or a Ziploc.
open it so you can see where the rice is.
Rice, more rice. Rice, don't take the whole stand out. Can I eat
This
it?
will turn. No,
Oh,
it's
that's
not ready.
Can I please?
No.
I'm gonna try it.
That's
You
okay.
can
You
try
can
it
try
if
it.
you want.
Let me see it.
It's like that's got the husk and everything.
Yeah. Abby, how was it?
This one is way. It's too hard. What is too hard?
So we're going to Mango King. Here they have massive mangoes and they have mango smoothies. And, oh, these are the mangoes.
This is a very the local one. It's
Around March or April.
So around March or April, the mangoes are the size of your forearm.
Yeah,
They're
the
much,
bigger-
much
like
bigger.
this
They're
one.
like that.
Yes, yes,
I
yes,
see.
yes.
Okay, right now it's not the season, so they're smaller.
Yeah.
But they're still delicious and we're gonna try them.
I like sour. Yummy.
Okay, we'll do one sour and one
one
white.
sweet one.
Okay. How is it? Try the mango. Sour? What is it? Tell me. All right, so try the mangoes. You wanted the sour kind? There's this. That one's probably the seed. Here we go. Let's try this one. That one's very good. You like the sour one? Yeah? This one's very good.
No.
No? Give it to Hudson. He likes it.
Mommy, try this. One is blowing the chili away.
It's plum with sugar.
So good.
Good?
Nice.
This is with the sour powder, sour plum powder. Oh, I see. Okay.
Kind of potato.
It's a potato chips.
It's a kind of onion as well.
Okay, that was really good. We're gonna head back. We were gonna do a lot more stuff today, although because it's raining, we can't do it today. So we'll continue the rest of the Kuala Selangor adventure another day. We're gonna head back to Mount Kiara and we'll continue another day.